In this video I will show you that how can you add references to your research article, thesis or any other type of writing by using Mendeley software or Mendeley reference manager. So there are basically two methods to add references by using Mendeley to your paper. The first method which I will explain in this video will be based on the PDF files that you have cited the papers in your research article or thesis, and of that articles you have the PDF file within your computer. So for this you will have first to log into your Mendeley reference manager software, which you have installed as I have instructed you in the previous video, and the second one you will have to start the Mendeley reference manager add in your Word. So for this you will have to first goes to your Mendeley reference manager and create a library there. You can give any name, but here I have given the name of my paper copper oxides. So for this work or in this paper I want to cite some paper or food references, so I have named it like this, and then my library you can see here has created successfully. So now I will have to add the papers which I want to cite in this article. So first I will have to click on the library, and then the paper which I have cited in the introduction is 14th, and I have also named this paper. You can see here in the cited paper folder named as 14, so it can easy for me that I can put the reference. So I have select the add new and then select manually, and then goes to that folder and select the respective paper. So I have selected the respective paper which are successfully uploaded, but here is some sort of confusion that the reference or the paper I have added to my Mendeley reference manager account, that was not added to the specific library of that paper, which is metal dot or copper oxide. So for this I will have to organize that paper, goes to the recently added, and then select that paper and organized that paper to the specific library. So you can see here that that paper is now added to my library of that paper. So it is added successfully. Now I can cite this article in my Word file or the paper in which I want to cite them, as I have named or specified the place where I want to cite them as 14. So for this I will have to first open the Mendeley, which is must that you have already added the add-in of Mendeley cite in your Word. So I have added it before the using it, so it is now opened. You can see in the side of the paper Word file. So as it refreshed, I will open the specific library of the respective paper, as I am going to putting the papers or references of metal dot copper oxide. So I will have to select the metal dot library. So you can see on the window that that paper which I have added to the Mendeley was successfully added here in the add-in of the Word of Mendeley cite. So I will specify the place where I want to put it or cite it, and then click on the insert citation. Now I can change the style of the references, which may be Howard style, IEE style, or any other style you want to select. That depend upon you. For our university we have using the Howard style, but now here I have selected the IEE style. Now I want to change it to the American Medical Association style. So is as I click on update, the reference style will update it to the respective style. Now I will going to practice it on two other papers. As you can see that paper was cited successfully in the respective style. Now I will have to put the paper or cite the paper 12 in this introduction. So I will have to click on the add new, as the library of metal dot copper oxide is open. So in this place, as I click or add in new or add new and then click on the manually add manually, so the paper will directly be added to that library. There is no need to organize it from the recently added to the specific library. So this paper has successfully added to this library specifically. Now I will have to refresh it, that it will update it in the database of my account. So now I will go to the Word file and here click on the refresh. As I refresh the reload the Mendeley add-in, so the paper will directly come there. As you can see that by click on the refresh or reload, the paper was come here or updated here my data which I have added there. So you can see here. Now I will select the location where I want to cite them, then click on the insert citation. So as I click on the insert citation, the paper will be directly added to that place or directly cited to that place. Now there are some other methods which will I use, or I will explain it in the next video, that how can you use Mendeley software for citing a paper. Of that paper you does not have their PDF, but you can want to cite them directly from your Chrome or any other browser you are using. So you can see the next video on the Mendeley reference manager citation insertion. So you can see here that I will practice it on the third paper, which is named as 13. As I opened it, that paper will be directly added to my account or to my specific library of that paper. Now I can easily cite it in my paper from the add-in of Mendeley. So as I reload it, the reference will automatically come there. Now I will have to cite them here, and then I will have to go to the last, and as I have completed putting all the references, then I will have go to the last reference section and then insert their bibliography there in the last list of references which I have cited in this paper. So I click on the continue. The references list or the bibliography was successfully put it in this paper. So if you have any question related to the Mendeley citation, you can ask them. You can ask them in the comment section. I will guide you.